Responding with numbers. AutoCAD's going to ask us questions. We're going to respond to it not by talking, but by typing it. And a lot of times we have to type those numbers. If we want to give a positive value, we do not have to put a positive sign in front of it. We just have to give the number. For example, let's say I want to go 6.375. I just have to put the number in, no positive sign. If I want to put a negative in, and I type in the negative sign when I want to go in a negative fashion. So I have a negative 6.35, and I go from here in the negative direction or in the left. I don't want to put a space because a space is the same thing as telling it that I'm going to hit enter. So spaces won't work. So I could type in 2.5 or 2-1.5. So I could, for example, come over here, pick, and I could say I want 2.5. And I'm in decimal right now, decimal units, and that was fine. I could do the line, and I could come over here, pick, and I could type in 2-1/2. It's going to recognize it as 2.5, and that worked as well. Okay, so when I'm in the architectural units, it will recognize feet and inches. And so I'm going to go into my application menu. I'm going to go to Drawing Utilities. I'm going to go to Units. I'm going to go in my architecture, okay, and I'm going to go in feet and inches this time. So now I'm going to pick a line. I'm going to say okay. I want to go. Let's go 2 feet 6, and there's no need for me to put an inch mark in this case. I can just say 2'6", and it'll recognize that it's 2 feet 6 inches long. Okay, so I can just put in if I want to put in a fraction, say 1/2, it'll recognize that as a 1/2 inch. Okay, but I don't want to go like 3/2. I have to keep it to down to fractions less than an inch. And I never want to go with feet and inches greater than, say, a foot. So I don't want to put in, it's okay if I go 24 foot 6 inches, but I don't want to go with, say, 24 feet 18. Okay, that's not going to really work. So, but I can also go 24 foot, and then I can actually type in 6, and if I want to go to 1/2 inch, I can put a space in there and say 1/2. I don't have to put the inch mark if I don't want. You can. It will work, and that will work as well. Okay, so numbers matter how we put things in. So we do not need to put the plus sign in. We do need to put the negative sign in. We can state it as 2.5 or 2-1.5. In architecture, we need to put the foot mark in, and we don't need to put the inch mark, but we can. So make sure you're typing in the correct numbers when AutoCAD prompts you.